We're going to go ahead and review DFNDR Security Antivirus Anti-Hacking and Cleaner, made by PSafe. Let's take a look down here. It's got 100 million downloads, which is pretty good. Rated 4.5 out of 5, which is actually really good. And over 100 million phones stay safe with DFNDR, or Defender, I guess you can call it, Security Antivirus and Anti-Hacking. Supposedly it's got a virus shield, a junk cleaner, CPU cooler, and a speed optimizer. Now when installing these type of apps, I'm always a little skeptical because it really gets into your phone and it starts to mess with all kinds of stuff in your phone. And sometimes it can really mess up your phone. It's got 4.5 stars, so they might not be so intrusive on your phone. Let's see what the reviews say. I recommend DFNDR for any of your devices. It is quick and easy to use. Try it. That sounds like somebody from the company talking, right? Alright, I love this app. It's very helpful, easy to use if you know what you are doing. Haha. If you don't know what you're doing, like I said, you can mess up your phone pretty good. Because I bet it's going to mess with your settings pretty good. Some guy's saying too many ads. Too many ads and wants me to download worthless apps if don't do anything anyway. Alright, well, let's see. We're going to go ahead and download it and test it out, guys. Alright, here we are. Let's go ahead and hit the start button. Alright, so right away wants to get access to photos, media, and files in storage, whatever. Access device's location, okay. Oh, but wait, go ahead and buy the 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months. Premium edition. No ads. Personalized notifications. No. Notice the X is very small in the upper right hand corner. So we hit that X. No, we're trying your free version right now, okay? Thank you very much. Right off the bat, it's initiating a virus scan, which can take a while actually. Apps verified, YouTube. It's going to go through each one of the apps here. It looks like I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and resume it once this is done, guys. 32 apps verified. About a minute or two later, 45 apps verified. And it is finished. Let's see what it found here. Smart Scan automatically scans your device for threats and optimal. So two issues found. What are the issues? Tell me. It's not telling me what the issues are. It's just gonna hit fix selected issues, see what that does. Anti-hacking. It activates anti-hacking to prevent yourself from hacker scams. Alright, let's activate that. Of course, here we are. It's now changing stuff on your phone. Okay, alright. So here we gotta go here and we gotta turn it on. Okay, we'll turn it on. I gotta put in my code. Alright. So here we are. 50 scanned files and 2 issues fixed. Alright, but it doesn't tell me what issues those were. That is weird. Okay, let's go back. So here's the main screen here. Alright. So it's telling us what the storage is, what the memory is. Well, let's take a look at the tools tab over here. So we got a quick cleanup, duplicate photos, manage apps, clean messenger. You delete old images and videos, which I don't recommend. Sometimes you might delete stuff you don't want. Security scan, a full virus scan. You can do a scheduled scan. You can do a VPN on this thing. Okay. URL checker, the CPU cooler. So here under the tools tab, it looks like you can look at the whole tools that it's got in here. Let's go back to the performance tab here. Let's test out the CPU cooler, see what that does. Oh, it's cooling it. Okay. Okay. It's closing down. It looks like it's closing down apps that are heating up the CPU. Okay. Right now it's at 5.9 Fahrenheit. Your phone is cooled down. Alright, okay. But here we have all these crazy ads popping up every time you do something. Alright, let's test out the quick cleanup now. It's cleaning up my phone. Wow, that's a lot of cleaning up. 541 megabytes? Wow, if you want to clean up your phone without having to erase your pictures or videos, I recommend using Zap for that, man. Look at that. 541 megabytes. That is pretty good. Oh, look at that. Vacuum cleaner. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Alright, it finished and brought us back to the screen where all the ads are at. It's telling us 542 megabits of trash were removed, which is pretty good, man. 542 megabytes, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Storage looks like it's probably at the same, though. Same area. Probably did move a little bit, but not much there. But that's because I have lots of videos and pictures in here. Boost memory option. Let's see what that does. Alright. I think what it's going to do is just close all the apps that are running there I'm not using, probably. And let's see if that does a difference in our memory. 560 megabits of memory sped up. Let's go back here, and memory is at 70% now. It kind of looks the same as where it was before, kind of. Alright. Now there's a protect messenger feature here. What does that do? We'll just create the same pattern that I had before just to test this out. What again? Oh, messed up. How many times is it going to make me do it? Now it's going to make us go back in here and change this setting here to on position. Activate now. Advanced protection enables the highest level of security management for your phone. When you authorize PSafe Defender security as administrator, no data access or movement happens without your permission. Alright, let's activate that thing. And I guess you could choose which ones. We'll just leave it at Messenger for now. Okay. You can choose which ones you want to. Now there's another feature here, lock screen charge monitor. Protect your battery from overcharging and manage phone performance with the lock screen charge monitor. Charging complete alerts. So it alerts you when charging is complete. And a remaining time calculator. So that has been activated. Hit continue. Manage phone calls. So it's going to make us allow here. Alright, now we're back to the screen here. So if we go down, there's more ads. Let's look at more tools that we can use here with Defender Security. We already went through all, well, the duplicate photos. I really don't want to. Well, we're going to rate it later, not yet. That's what we do at the end of these videos is we rate it. I'm not going to go through the photos here because I don't want to put any personal photos there online for you guys. Not that I have bad photos, but I just don't want to put any on there. Manage apps. Let's look at that feature here. Touch here to reorganize the list of apps. Okay, I'm touching there. I can't do nothing. I'm touching all over the place here. All over the screen, nothing's happening. Okay, here we go. So here you can manage any apps. If you want to uninstall some apps, for example, if I want to uninstall Uber here, to hit that and then hit remove. So this is just a shortcut feature to deleting your apps, which is not bad. The clean messenger function is here. It's not working. It's all grayed out. I don't know why, huh? Apparently it doesn't want me to. It says there's no stuff there. I do know I have some images and videos in Messenger, so I don't know why. So security scan, let's take a look at this. I think this might be the same scan we were doing before. Alright, the scan is finished. 48 scanned files and 0 issues found. Let's take a look again. There's also a full virus scan option here, which checks all the files, which I imagine this one takes a while to do. Dang, it's going through every single file. Look at that. Every single file that exists. And it's still going. So if you guys have a very bad virus, you guys can use this app to find it, because it goes through every single file on your phone. And this is going to take a while. So I will pause the video and record back when it's finished. Alright, the scanning has finished, and looks like it only found one issue. Browsing cache. Basically, this is what happens when you browse the internet for a while. All that information gets stored on your phone, and it's just going to fix that real quick. I'm going to clean it up. It should save some space on the phone. And there it goes. The scan took a while. It took about 10 minutes. Alright, 4,218 scanned files and only one issue fixed. Not bad. You can also schedule a virus scan, it looks like here. You can put it for every 3 days, which I recommend keeping it like that. Or you can do it once a week. Although you can do a scheduled scan, it doesn't let you choose how to do the schedule. It just has an option for every 3 days or once a week. Secure Connection VPN. If it has this feature for free, I'm going to really like this app. Let's hit the power button and see if it actually works. So it does a connection request. It wants to set up a VPN connection that allows monitor network traffic. I'm going to say OK. Basically what a VPN does, it gives you privacy on the internet. So companies that, like websites that you visit, can't track your information, your location, and all that stuff. You're on a virtual private network. That's what it stands for. It says we're not connected to a virtual private network now. Huh? That's pretty cool. So I like this app now because it has that option for a virtual private network. I did not expect it to have that option. That's pretty cool. And you just go back in here to turn it off. That's pretty cool. And you can choose the location you want. Well, by default, I don't know what the default location is, but if you want to choose your location, actually, you got to pay for the premium edition. And you can choose if you want to be in Norway, Germany, Hong Kong, or Russia, wherever you want to be. That way they can't track you. But right now it's set for default. Who knows where default is? But if you want to change it, you got to pay for it. So now I don't like it that much now. Where is that default location? It doesn't tell us. United States maybe? That's where I'm at. Okay. We're going to go ahead and stop it now. Alright, let's go back. So the VPN, you had to buy it. Because to actually use it right, you got to change country location. I recommend that. So the Defender Lab URL checker. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so you just paste the URL here if you want to check it to see if it's safe. Pretty cool. And then it'll tell you if it's safe. That's pretty cool. Okay. And we already did the CPU cooler and the memory booster. There is a Wi-Fi check feature here. Let's see what that does. Basically, going to check the speed on the Wi-Fi, I imagine. Doing a connectivity test. 29.8 megabits per second. Not bad on my network here. Alright, cool. We're at 29.8 megabits per second. So that's all it does. It checks how fast you're going here. Wi-Fi checker. Accelerate internet. What does that do? Closes app so that the internet speeds up. Let's test that out real quick. I am using Mobizen to record the screen. Hopefully it doesn't close the app that we're using right now. That would be bad. Looks like it didn't. So 5 apps that use internet were modified there. So the internet should be faster supposedly. Let's see if it really is faster. Let's do a Wi-Fi check again. We're at 29.8, remember? Is it faster? It actually went down, 22.5, but it always fluctuates. Not bad. Well, I don't know if that really worked. There's a battery optimizer feature here. Oh, you got to download an app called Power Pro. Alright, so we'll do a review for Power Pro soon, and we'll see how that works. Last but not, oh no, there's still more. So Game Booster, let's see what that does. Open games from here to make them run faster. Ah, so you open a game from here. That's pretty cool. If you notice your game's running slow, open it from there. I don't have a game on here though, do I? Let's see. I think I do have a game in here. Oh no, I uninstalled them all. I don't have a game. Sorry guys, not able to test that out right now. If you guys get to test that, go ahead and comment on the comment section. Let me know if that works for you guys. Alright, so we have some more privacy features here. We have app lock. Put passwords on your apps. We're going to use our basic pattern we've been using here. Oh, the app lock. Yeah, we were working on that a while ago. The photo vault, we did that already. There's one more feature here. Actually, 3 more we got to look at. Anti-theft feature. Man, this app is loaded with features. Alright guys, so I'm not able to show you guys the let's go back here. I'm not able to show you guys the anti-theft because it shows very important data on there, my emails and the code to gain access to my phone, which I can't put on YouTube. But it looks like it works pretty good, that anti-theft. But I couldn't put it on the video. Alright guys, sorry about that. Let's continue. The Social Guardian, let's take a look at that. Protects your social networks. So right now it's protecting Messenger. And we were looking at that a while ago actually. And Call Blocker, the last feature here, last but not least. Let's take a look at that feature. So this app has a lot of features, a lot of them, and you can use about 80% of the features. The remaining 20% you had to pay for the premium edition to use it. So you can add here a phone number if you want to block. You can go to your block list right here, but right now we don't have nothing. But you can add from your contacts, or you can add through entering a number. But can't get into too many details on that either for privacy reasons. But that's about it, guys. Those are all the features. Oh my god. Check it out. It just bugged out on us. It just stopped. Look at that. What the heck? I was about to give this app a good review, and all of a sudden it just stops on me. Look at that. Boom. It just stopped. Alright, so it crashed on me, but I was able to bring it back up, and here it is, guys. Alright, it's time to give this thing a review. I was actually going to give this app a 4-star rating. Well, I was thinking about it with a 3 because of the ads. I really don't like the ads, but every freaking free app out there has ads on it. I was going to give it 4 stars because of all the features, the VPN feature, the feature to be able to track your phone and everything. But because it crashed on me, it just crashed out of nowhere, I'm going to have to give it a 3-star rating. It's okay type of rating. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting a lot more app reviews, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.